Oh Lord, I just saw a really silly meme. Anyway, the reason I made this video is to talk about this small little glitch I found in Final Cut Pro where when you right click on your file in the browser of Final Cut Pro and click Reveal in Finder, you're supposed to be brought to your library and then the event and then the project and then the actual video file that's been copied to your library on your hard drive, but instead you click it and you get brought to your hard drive, just the base of your hard drive, Macintosh HD, which is not what is supposed to happen. So that needs to be fixed. But when I went up to the top left-hand corner of Final Cut Pro, you can do the little feedback dialog. Click that and filled in everything what was going on. But then I saw it was the categories that I found a little inspiring. So you have the categories to describe how you use Final Cut Pro and what your profession or hobby is. 1. Broadcast creative, broadcast news, corporate government, dedicated audio, video, post facility, education, episodic television, event videography, feature film, freelancer, that's me, hobbyist, and independent film / documentary. I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, it's basically a list of like what you can do for your life if you're a video editor.